Hi everyone, this video is a demonstration of an interface I wrote for an LCD keypad shield to be used with an Arduino. First I'll talk about the hardware a little bit, and then I'll do a demonstration and talk a little bit about the code I wrote. So I'm using an Arduino Mega 2560, a DF Robot LCD keypad shield connected to the Arduino. I have an 8 ohm 0.25 watt speaker connected to a 100 ohm resistor connected to pin 53 of the Arduino. I have a green LED connected to a 330 ohm resistor connected to pin 52 of the Arduino. I'm using a DS1307 real-time clock breakout board. I have SDA going SDA on the Arduino, SCL to SCL, 5 volt to 5 volt, and ground to ground. And now I will demonstrate my interface. This is the clock screen I have up right now. Pressing select button will cycle through the screens. Here's the alarm screen and the timer screen. Pressing and holding the select button will enter into set mode for each screen. Here's set mode for the clock screen. Left and right buttons navigate to the values you want to change, and up and down buttons will change those values. Press select button to exit set mode. Here's alarm, and I'm pressing and holding select button to enter into set mode. Changing values with up and down, and navigating with left and right. Timer screen. Here's set mode. And I will set an alarm to demonstrate what happens when one goes off. Pressing any button will acknowledge the alarm. And I will set a timer. Right now it's on 2 seconds. Use the up and down button to get the timer going. Press any button to acknowledge the timer. And I will change that to, let's say, 3 seconds. And the timer can be paused and started multiple times. The timer can also be reset. Alright, so now I'll talk a little bit about how I wrote this code. I set it up so that you can add as many quote-unquote screens as you want. So right now I have a clock screen, an alarm screen, and a timer screen. And using my code, it's easy to add as many screens as you want. Say you wanted to have one screen that displays temperature, or a screen controlling several relays, it's easy, or it's hopefully it'll be easy to do that. In another video, I will make an additional screen to show that capability. Also, I wrote this code so that you can turn the backlight on and off from anywhere in the program. So right now we're on the clock screen. Pressing and holding the up button will turn the backlight on and off. And we can do that wherever. We can also do that while we're in set mode. So that is my LCD keypad interface. I know there are plenty out there, but I hope that some of you might be able to get some use out of mine. Thank you for watching.